Hello students, today we'll study the second chapter of geography inside our Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It has an air envelope around it known as the atmosphere. The atmosphere of the Earth protects us from the harmful radiations of the Sun. The interior part of the Earth is divided into three major layers: crust, mantle, and core. Now let's see the internal structure of the Earth. This outermost layer of the Earth, its thickness ranges from about 5 km below the ocean floor to about 70 km below the land. This is called crust. The continents and the oceans are on this layer. It is made up of rocks and contains all the things essential for life. This is the middle layer of the Earth called as mantle, lying between the crust and the core of the Earth. The thickness of the mantle exceeds up to 2900 km. The outer region of the mantle consists of solid rocks. The inner regions of the mantle consist of molten rocks. During volcanic eruptions, molten magma comes out from this layer to the surface of the Earth. Then we have core. This is outer core and the inner core. Core is the innermost layer of the Earth. It is mainly composed of iron and nickel. The outer core is in a molten liquid state. It exists to about 3500 km. Now let's study about rocks and minerals. The Earth crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different color, size, and texture. Rocks and minerals are of different shapes, size, and color. Look at the picture given below for hint and fill in the blanks with the given words. We see it's marble. Marble is used for making kitchen slabs. It's chalk. Chalk is used to write on the blackboards. It's ruby. Ruby is used to make jewelry. Types of rocks. Rocks can be divided into three groups based on how they are formed: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Let's study about igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. The core of the Earth is made up of molten rock called magma. When it comes out to the surface of the Earth through volcanic eruptions, it is called lava. You can see in the picture, through a volcanic eruption, the lava comes out. The lava cools down and hardens to form igneous rocks. Some of the minerals present in igneous rocks are mica, feldspar, magnesium, and quartz. Igneous rocks derive their name from the Latin word ignis, which means fiery. Granite, pumice, and obsidian are examples of igneous rock. There are two types of igneous rocks: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. When the molten lava comes on the Earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. So, rocks formed in such a way is called extrusive igneous rocks. Okay? Then, sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Now let's study about sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to the deposition of small pieces of rock, soil and plant and animal matter over thousands of years by the action of wind, rainwater and flowing river water. Rivers flowing down a mountain wear away rocks. Wind and rainwater also wear away rocks. These small pieces of rocks are deposited at some other place. Layer over layer is deposited over a long period of time. This repeated deposition hardens the lower layers, leading to the formation of sedimentary rocks. Conglomerate, sandstone, shale, and limestone are examples of sedimentary rocks. Look at this picture. The Red Fort is made up of red stone. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Now let's study metamorphic rocks. Metamorphism means a gradual change in form. Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks over time due to high pressure and temperature. Slate, marble, quartzites, and gneisses are some of the metamorphic rocks. Let's see this rock cycle. Sedimentary rocks changes to metamorphic, then magma, igneous sediments. The process of transformation of the rock from one form to another is known as the rock cycle. Minerals. Rocks are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are formed inside the earth. There are two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. About this we'll study in other class. The uses of rock and minerals. Rocks and minerals are being used by human beings from ancient times. Even today, we use products obtained from the rocks and minerals. Here are some examples which shows that the rocks and the minerals are of common use. We use them for construction, metals to make different utensils and all, gemstones for the jewelry, fuels to run our vehicles and machineries, fertilizers and food. With this, we end with that lesson. Thank you. God bless you.